walk alone through Como streets, the lake still whispers what we were. Each trembling light upon the waves reflects the love that still endures. And when the wind brushes my skin, I hear your voice, it calls within, a memory of our once spoken, a flame inside that's never broken. In the streets of Como, I see your face. In every shadow, I feel your grace. To the tender chains I'm captured, and your name still echoes through the night, a silent flame that keeps its light. The church bells